What's up, guys? Your WhatsApp number might already be there, exposed, vulnerable, and even sold without you knowing. And the worst part, you may have three dangerous settings enabled right now that allow strangers to spy on you. Let's fix this before it's too late. Step 1. The biggest threat: link devices. First, let's talk about the most dangerous one: link devices. Here is the scenario. You leave your phone on a table for just 1 minute. Someone picks it up, scans your WhatsApp QR code, and instantly has full clone of your account on their laptop or phone. From that moment, they can read every chat you send or receive. Here is how to stop it. Open WhatsApp, tap the three dots at the top right, and go to Link Devices. If you don't recognize one, tap it and hit Log Out. Go back. To make your account bulletproof, enable two-step verification. Tap three dots, then tap Settings, then tap Account, hit two-step verification. Tap on Turn On, set 6-digit PIN, write it down, and you are safe. From now on, nobody can log in without that PIN. Step 2. Your profile photo, a gold mine for strangers. Next up, your profile photo sounds harmless, right? Wrong. A stranger can add your number, download your photo, and use reverse image search to dig up your Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and even details about your family or workplace. Here is the fix. Go to Settings, then tap Privacy, tap Profile Picture, change it from Everyone to My Contacts. This simple move closes a huge door to stalkers and scammers. Step 3. Group Invites, the spam trap. Third, let's shut the door on random groups. Without these settings, anyone can throw you into spam groups full of scams, fake giveaways, and crypto scams. Worse, your number gets exposed to complete strangers. Here is what to do. Open Settings, then tap Privacy. Scroll down until you see Groups. Tap here. Change it to My Contacts or My Contacts Accepts. That way only the people you trust can add you. Step 4. Advanced Privacy Settings. We are not done yet. Scroll a little further under Privacy and tap Advanced Settings. You will see three options. Turn them all on. Block unknown account messages, protect IP address in calls, disable link preview, so website can't track you. Go back, then tap on calls, enable silence unknown callers. That one click will save you from endless spam calls. And that's it, just a few quick settings and you have locked down your WhatsApp against hackers, stalkers and spammers. Small changes, back protection.